Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, come in various shapes, sizes, and designs, each tailored for a specific purpose. Here are some of the most common types of drones. Fixed-wing drones. These drones are similar to traditional airplanes and are designed to fly long distances at high speeds. They are commonly used for surveillance, mapping, and agriculture. Multi-rotor drones. These drones have multiple rotors and can hover in place, making them ideal for aerial photography and videography. They come in various sizes and shapes, including quadcopters, hexacopters, and octocopters. Single-rotor helicopters. These drones have a single rotor and are designed to provide stability in the air. They are commonly used for search and rescue operations, aerial surveying, and inspection. Hybrid drones. These drones combine the features of both fixed-wing and multi-rotor drones, allowing them to take off and land vertically while also providing the efficiency of fixed-wing drones for longer flights. Nano drones. These drones are small and lightweight, designed to be easily portable and maneuverable in tight spaces. They are commonly used for indoor mapping, surveillance, and inspection. Racing drones. These drones are designed for high-speed racing and maneuverability. They are typically small and agile, with specialized equipment such as cameras and goggles for the pilot to navigate through the course. Delivery drones. These drones are designed to transport goods from one location to another. They are typically equipped with a cargo hold and can fly autonomously or with a human pilot,